Our homes are a very central part of our lives. It is a place where memories are built. It is a place where bonds are formed with the people we love and care about. Just like you and me, sometimes our homes will age as well. And because of that, a little bit of work is needed to maintain a comfortable living environment. That's where HIP comes in. The Home Improvement Program, or HIP for short, helps residents with common maintenance problems that you'll find in aging flats, such as leaking sanitary pipes, as well as spalling concrete. Optional items are items that residents can choose to opt in for. These include items such as the renovation of the toilets, replacement of the main doors, the main gates, and replacement of the refuse chute hoppers. Residents may also choose to opt in for ease items as well. These are items that help our elderly residents live a more comfortable life. These items include the wheelchair ramps at the main entrance as well as within the unit itself, as well as slip resistance treatment and grab bars.
I'm staying here almost 22 years in this area.
我们在结婚以后是第一间家就是这里。
I stay here very long time, 20 years.
那些toilet啦，我们的toilet哦，已经30多年了嘛。说toilet很多那个瓷砖全部都裂了。
There's a lot of a hairline crack in a toilet.
我们自己也在考虑，到底我们要不要去装修啦？
When I first received this notice, what they call, I was thinking of what they're going to do.
Fikiran lah macam nak kena pindah rumah. Habis tak boleh duduk sini, susah kan?
toilet 在装修，我们家里已经没有toilet了，我们一定要去外面冲凉，是吗？我就会去问那个他在 office 的办公室的人啊，他们有告诉我们讲，哦，我们在哪里有这个toilet给你们用，所以我这个烦恼我就解决了。
So when I started to throw questions to the contractors and everything, they said, no, you can stay in. One of them stay in, then the rest can whatever because of dusty and everything.
灰尘对我们老人家是肯定是不好的，但是在装修的时候，我反而没有觉得有这个没有感觉到。
The environment will be dusty, but all covered up really prevent from not so much dusty. Uncle, you need help. Wherever you tell me, they're very concerned about our family lah.
They're doing their good job. Anytime we ask for help, they will do it. So I'm very confident. Nothing has been shortcut. And the 10 days was as though I'm staying in a hotel.
那个晒衣架我最喜欢，因为什么？那个晒衣架不会危险。
就是说我们不用把那个竹竿推出去。
Is what you call? I would say that safety improvement, a lot of safety improvement.
现在不会危险，很好，这样推来推去 OK 啊。
The new gate, of course, it's a bit of a, what you call a new style of a lot of windows and everything. Okay, it's light and it look modern lah.
Oh, the new door very good lah, very solid. Dia ada lubang tengok luar. Dulu tak ada tau, until time tak ada.
So I think this is welcome. It's a light and an easy, simple.
上次我的 toilet 就是一直在等人家装修，现在装修了，我很满意。它地板做了不会滑，真的很好。
I would say it look neat with the different tiles and everything. It look neat. Okay, quite okay. And the improvement type, no sound and everything. The old toilet, when the flushing system, when flush I can hear, very noisy.
现在不一样了，新的toilet做好了，我真的很舒服，这是我最满意的地方了。
My grandchildren look happy because look nicer. They cleaner and get shower so happy lah, like new houses lah.
After so many years of staying here, they call it after 30 years there's improvement, and this is actually improvement.
我们认识了很多这里的邻居，本来我完全不认识，现在都变成有打招呼了。我觉得这也是在无形中得到的这个利益。